UGC-CARE Journals. CARE. Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. Establishment date 28th of November 2018. Purpose: creation and maintenance of reference list of quality journals. CARE members: Statutory Councils, Academies, government bodies, and others like the Association of Indian Universities. Designed and developed by the UGC Cell for Journal Analysis, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Journal inclusion application received through the following UGC-CARE Universities: Jawaharlal Nehru University, Northern Region; Tezpur University, Eastern Region; the MS University of Baroda, Western Region; University of Hyderabad, Southern Region. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.